for my county. Trying to not wake up my house.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, Logan County, East Central Fulton County, North Central Sangamon County, Tazewell County, Northeastern Kent County, Mason County, Southern Peoria County, until 12:45 a.m. At 11:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Hannah City to near Tallulah, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Pekin, Lincoln, Mason City, East Peoria, Morton, Washington, Martinville, Creve Coeur, West Peoria, Marquette Heights, Petersburg, Tremont, Athens, Bellevue, Mackinac, Delavan, Manitou, Mount Pulaski, and Williamsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 1 and 14. Interstate 55 between mile markers 108 and 137. Interstate 74 between mile markers 88 and 109.